Citations are essential for academic writers. They provide context, intellectual credibility, resources to investigate, and acknowledgement of other writers. Let's start with context. Academic writing is often called a conversation because the body of written scholarship on any topic has a lot in common with a spoken conversation. People pay attention to what someone is saying, think about it, and respond. In a good conversation, the cycle is repeated as ideas evolve. If you enter a room where people have been chatting, you may not understand what's going on unless someone fills you in. Once you have some context, you can follow people's ideas much more easily. When you write a paper, you are participating in an intellectual conversation. To help your readers join in, you must tell them how what you've written fits into that conversation. You do this by citing your sources. Now let's talk about intellectual credibility. When you speak, you know that people will listen to you only if you seem to know what you're talking about. If your claims are outdated, not based in fact, or wildly exaggerated, or if they ignore evidence that doesn't support your position, you will not be taken seriously. When you write, you need to show readers that they can trust your judgment. Read broadly on a topic before you decide what your opinion is. Your claims will be much more convincing if you're well informed. And choose your sources carefully. Make sure they are reliable. Your writing is likely to provoke interest and stimulate questions in your readers' minds. You can't possibly say everything in one paper, but you can give your readers resources to investigate through a bibliography or a list of works cited. Citations are also a way to acknowledge and thank the writers whose ideas have contributed to your paper. Acknowledging your sources shows that you respect other people's ideas as intellectual property and that you respect the Honor Code prohibition against plagiarism.